Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the steering wheel controls, okay, left or right on Jaguar X-Type, guys. This is the generation from 2001 all the way until 2009. First thing, guys, what you need to do, you need to remove the airbag. So stay with us, guys, to see how we're going to remove the airbag now, and we're going to proceed with the buttons next, with the steering wheel controls. What you need to do first, you need to open the hood and you need to disconnect the battery for at least 30 minutes before you proceed with removing the airbag, because that way you will discharge the airbag system, and there will be minimum risk of deploying while you're working on it. So always be careful, guys, always touch something metal before you start working on it. And what we're going to use is a T30, okay, the star looking bit like that. And there is one bolt, okay, right there, that you will need to remove. It's kind of like in an angle a little bit, so you need to find it, and after that you just need to unscrew it a couple revolutions. It will not come out, it just goes a certain way. And there is one more, okay, right there, and usually they're not very tight. You can remove them with the screwdriver like that, and remember, they will not come out, you just get them loose. And now if you grab the airbag, if everything is good, you should be able to pull it out, but if it's still holding, it means that you need to unscrew the bolts a little bit more, which you should do. Don't pull too much, because you can damage the airbag if it's a new airbag, unless it was deployed and you're replacing it. Okay, got it loose, and now you can pull it out, guys. Now be very careful with the wires here, okay? Alright, guys, you have two wires here. So now that yellow thing, you need to push it back, okay, like that. And after you push it back, you need to grab the airbag wire and just pull it, but go straight. Sometimes they get stuck. Okay, this one here as well. Don't twist it left and right. You just need to go up. Okay, it's pretty tight. Okay, right here, if you squish on the sides, right there, that's how it come out easy. And this is the airbag, guys, right here. And again, those are the connectors. If you need to replace them, you can disconnect them from there. So that's how they work. When they're connected, it's like that. So you need to press down, and this releases those tabs right here, and you push towards each other and pull straight. Never twist left or right. So now, guys, we need a T20, okay, star looking bit like that. And you need to remove these two screws right here. It's identical for left and right side, as you can see, 2 and 2 right here. And once you remove those bolt screws, you'll be able to pull the steering wheel controls out. Sometimes if you get water, or sometimes they just quit working. Especially the cruise control is the one that you might have problems with. We had many cars in the past with that problem, and sometimes people will clean them and get them wet. Okay, now you can go ahead, pull it, and now we need to pull the wire, and you need to press down on this little thing there and pull. Okay, and this is, guys, the steering wheel control, and that's how we do the other side as well, just the same way. Thank you, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you, guys, for watching, and see you next time.